Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. So today we'll be talking about how to respond to a TripAdvisor review. So let me tell you guys, responding to a TripAdvisor review is about turning feedback into an opportunity to build trust. So first, you need to know where to respond it. What you can do is go to one of your web browser and then open a Trip browser owner portal. Once you open it, type your business name and then log into the management center. Now under the reviews tab, tap respond to reviews to view and reply to your feedback. So to respond to a positive reviews, you can thank them for taking the time to share their experience. Avoid copy pasting the same generic response to everyone. And you can also mention a specific dish, room, or staff member they praised. You can also invite them to return for another great experience. So to respond to a negative reviews, you have to stay calm and listen. Never respond in anger. Validate their feelings and offer a genuine apology even if you disagree with their perspective. Explain what corrective actions you are taking or have taken to fix the problem. Provide a direct generic contact email or phone number for them to reach out to you privately. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video helped you. See you in my next one.